Welcome back, student, in the class Easy Learning Primavera P6. In last session we have seen how to create a work breakdown structure. So now we'll see how to create activities in a system. So this is our open project and WBS has been shown here. So to create an activity we have to go in the activity tab. In shortcut you can just click here, activity, then activity tab will be open. You can shift it if you want, activity. Yeah, so we'll be in activity tab. So once you have to click in a WBS and you have to click for the plus sign. The new activity will be open. So for example, is our one activity. Then again we can add one more activity here. And then again in the second WBS we'll add some activity. Right? So this way you can add activity in a WBS. So now, so far we have created new project, we have created WBS and we have created activity. If you select the activity in general tab, you will be able to see the activity ID, what the activity is, what is the project name, type, and other related information including calendar and responsible manager as well. Suppose you want to take a help of activity wizard, then you have to go to edit and user preferences. So once you click here, you go to assistant and check new, use new activity wizard and close it. So here if you click on a plus sign, then you will get one window which is a activity wizard. So same way you have to enter your name, you have to enter your activity name. System will take activity ID automatically, but again if you want to change, you can change it. Right? So we enter it, you can directly click on finish, but we'll go with the next step. So here you see it is asking WBS. So he wanted to confirm, the system want to confirm that this activity belongs to this WBS. If it is there, then you don't have to do anything, but it is not, then it will show you other WBS as well. So you can select the WBS and you can move the activity to particular under WBS. Then you click on next, is a task dependent, next, next, because this all will learn afterwards. So presently no need, and then you can click on finish. So you will able to see here the two activities are added here and two activity in this WBS. So student, for this session we are closing here. Next session we'll see how to put a duration and sequencing. So stay tuned, get benefited. Thank you.